Samsung Galaxy J6, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using our home screen. Let's open the font styler and let's use the first secret code. So let me check out the firmware version of the device. Let's use this code *##1, 2, 3, 4 £, and as you can see, the version of the Samsung Galaxy just pops up. You can check out here AP, CP, CSC and model. Let's go back by using the back key. Now it's time to open the test menu. So let's use this code *#0 *#. As you can see, the test menu just pops up. Here you can test your hardware features, for example your display, the red color, green, blue. You may test the receiver, vibrator and other stuff, just the camera, sub key, speaker for example. And other stuff. Let's go back to quit this menu. Sometimes you need to press twice. Now let's open here the service menu. So let's use *0011 £. Service menu just pops up. Here you can use the following information. You can also use more key to read the following options. Let's go back. Let me quit the service menu. It's time to open the advanced service mode. So you can use this code *2683 662 £. As you can see, this is advanced service menu. Here you can also use more key to use the following options. Let's go back. It's time here to open the battery status. So let's use this code *0228 £, and battery status pops up, so you can read the battery specification right here. Let's go back. And now it's time to open USB settings mode. So let's use *0808 £, and USB settings pops up. You can change here USB mode. Let's go back by using the back key. And you can also open the advanced firmware version. Let's just enter *2663 £, and the firmware version menu just pops up. You can just read here a few information about your firmware, and you can also check the email number by using the secret code. Let's just use *06 £, and the email number and also the serial number pops up. What's more, here you can also use the barcodes to your numbers. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.